Good morning, students. Hope you are all fine in your homes. As we had said in the previous class, we are going to continue with the question answers today of the Cook chapter from the lesson Glimpses of India for class 10. Before we going to the question answer section, we'll do a quick revision of the lesson Cook. Okay, আজি আমি আগৰ পাঠটো যি কৈ গৈছিলো আজি question answers কৈ নিম বুলি আমি এই lesson টোৰ কুৰ্গৰ তোমালোকৰ Glimpses of India chapter টোৰ into question answers হলে যোৱাৰ আগতে আমি এবাৰ quick revision লৈ লওঁ lesson টো so that it will be much more better and easier for you to attempt the question answers. So before that, please take out your pen and copies. তোমালোকে পেন আৰু copies খিনি উলিয়াই লোৱা যাতে তোমালোকৰ যিখিনি মেইন points থাকে বা important questions থাকে সেইখিনি অলপমান লিখি ল'ব পাৰিবা and it will be helpful for you also. So let's get started. তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ with a quick revision of the lesson. Lesson টোৰ quick revision এটা লৈ লওঁ আগতে আমি আগৰ পাঠটোত আগৰ লেসনটোত আমি কি পঢ়িলো তাৰ অকমান এটা ৰিভিজন লৈ লওঁ তাৰ পিছত আমি question answer sectionলৈ যাম okay so আমাৰ মনত আছে we still remember that Coorg is the smallest district situated between Mysore and Mangalore Coorg এখন সবচে smallest district হয় Mysore আৰু Mangalore মাজত situated. It is situated in hills and inhabited by martial man and beautiful women and wild animals. আমি গম পাইছো that Coorg is a land of rolling hills. আমাক lesson টোতে কৈছিলে rolling hills. It is not full of mountains but smaller hills with flattened tops. সৰু সৰু পাহাৰ যাৰ ওপৰটো টিলা সৰু সৰু টিলা এইবিলাক যাৰ ওপৰটো flat হয় আৰু সেইকাৰণে তাত কফি কাল্টিভেশ্যনছ আৰু স্পাইচৰ কাল্টিভেশ্যনছ বেছি হয় আৰু ইয়াত থকা বাসিন্দাসকল যোদ্ধা পুৰুষ সুন্দৰী মহিলা আৰু বিভিন্ন প্ৰজাতিৰ wild animals. Coorgৰ আন এটা নাম হ'ল Kodagu. Coorg is also known as Kodagu. There are evergreen forests, spices and coffee plantations and colonial bungalows. তো Coorg আমি গম পাইছো যে চিৰসেউজ বৰ্ষাৰণ্য 30% of the district is covered with this rainforest and there are various types of spices বা মছলা যিটো আমি কওঁ and the most important cultivation of this district is coffee. And above that there are various colonial bungalows সেইটো আগৰ লেসনটোত আমি ক্লাছ 2 কৰিছিলো যে colonial bungalows বিলাক আৰু colonial bungalows বিলাকৰ setting to বা location to ইমান prime corners ত আছে তাৰ মানে corners বিলাক এনেকুৱা কৈছে যে য'ত মানে তোমাৰ যিটো wild সিহঁতৰ যিটো beauty to বা natural beauty to য'ত বেছিকে ফুটি উঠে সেই তাত এই ধুনীয়া ঘৰবিলাক বা colonial bungalows বিলাক তেওঁলোকে বনাইছে so that the beauty of the bungalow and the beauty of the place is much more enhanced especially with the beautiful structures আৰু ঘৰবিলাকৰ locations বিলাক ঘৰবিলাকৰ constructions বিলাক এনেকুৱাকে কৰিছিলে যে এনেকুৱা লাগে যে গছ ফুল natural beauty design ওপৰত চন্দাটপ এটা বনোৱা আছে or বা যাক আমি canopies বুলি কৈছো okay এইখিনিলৈকে তোমালোকৰ মনত আছে the next point is the people are descendants of Greeks and Arabs এইখিনিও আমি গম পাইছো যে তেওঁলোকৰ বংশ বা পূৰ্বপুৰুষসকল Greeks বা Arabs but it is not sure but looking at the physical structure মানুহখিনিৰ যিটো physical setup আছে যিটো যোদ্ধা পুৰুষৰ characteristics আছে বা যিটো তেওঁলোকে ড্ৰেছ পিন্ধে সেইটোৰ পৰা writer Lucas Abrole কৈছে যে probably they are from the Greek and the Arabs descendants. A story goes that a part of Alexander's army stayed back and married local women. So the present race is a mixture of both culture. আৰু ষ্টৰিটোত কোৱা এটা ষ্টৰি গৈছে যে according to their regarding their descent তেওঁলোকৰ যিটো বংশ বা পূৰ্বপুৰুষবিলাকৰ বিষয়ে যিটো ষ্টৰী আমাক মেনশ্যন কৰা হৈছে ইয়াত তাত কৈছে যে probably when Alexander was going back to his country at the time they were going by the southern route and due to some impractical reasons কিছুমান impractical reasons ৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে return হ'ব নোৱাৰিলে to Greece as a result আৰু সেই কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে কুৰ্গতে settle কৰিলে আৰু settle কৰাৰ পিছত তেওঁলোকে তাৰ কুৰ্গৰ লোকেল মানুহখিনিৰ লগত মিংগল কৰিলে লোকেল মানুহখিনিৰ লগত মিক্স আপ কৰিলে and they married with মানে তেওঁলোকে they married with local people and a new culture a new tradition took birth এটা নতুন কালচাৰ এটা নতুন ৰেচ এটা জন্ম ললে আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ এই যে তেওঁলোক ডিফাৰেণ্ট হয় বা তেওঁলোকৰ কালচাৰটো অকমান বেলেগ বা ডিষ্টিংক্ট সেইটো ফুটি উঠে স্পেচিয়েলি ডিউৰিং দেয়াৰ মাৰ্শাল ট্ৰেডিশ্যনছ বা মেৰেজেছ বা ৰিলিজিয়াছ যিবিলাক ৰীতি নীতি আছে সেইবিলাকত আমি দেখা পাওঁ যে দেয়াৰ কালচাৰ ইজ somewhat different from the mainstream Hindu religion. Okay? Then the next point is they wear long black coat. Okay, সিহঁতৰ যিটো কাপোৰ পিন্ধে generally the gents যিটো dress পিন্ধে সেইটো হৈছে long black coats embroidered with waistband এডাল মানে embroidery কৰা কঁকালত এডাল belt মাৰে similar to the ones that we as gents when they go for their presentation boys when they go to present their bihu functions at that time lora bilake suriyar uport mare bihu maribol jante jitu ami tongali bili kau similar to that one they wear above their long black coat and that one aru he bostur resemblance to ase with the dress worn by the Arabs and the Kurds okay aru he karne writer jone koise that probably তেওঁলোক হয়তো আৰবৰ ডিসেন্ডেন্টসও হ'ব পাৰে next is the people are very brave মানুহখিনি brave হেতুটো আমি গমে পাইছো ফাৰ্ষ্টতে that they are having very martial traditions brave courageous but very very much hospitable তেওঁলোক খুবেই hospitable and Kurg being a tourist place Kurg যেহেতু এখন tourist place হয় সেইকাৰণে তেওঁলোকে খুবেই তেওঁলোকৰ ব্যৱহাৰ পাতিবিলাক খুব নম্ৰ হয় যদিও তেওঁলোক মানে brave বা courageous হয় but they are very hospitable and the most important thing is that they are very proud তেওঁলোক খুব গৰ্বিত প্ৰকাশ কৰে very proud to tell about their sons and fathers bravery acts যিবিলাক তেওঁলোকে bravery কাম কৰিলে বা courageous কাম কৰিছে তেওঁলোকৰ fathers and sons these things they are very eager বা আগ্ৰহী কবৰ কাৰণে before their guest তেওঁলোকে guestৰ আগত বা আলহী বিলাক আহিলে তেওঁলোকে কবৰ কাৰণে খুবেই আগ্ৰহী এইবিলাকৰ বিষয়ে this acts of bravery and courageousness okay then the Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army আৰু Kurg regiment যিটো হয় হেতু মানে সবসে বেছি decorated decorated in the sense that they are very since they are very much courageous are brave so most probably because of the acts of courage and braveness they had got lots of medals in the army acts হয়তো যুদ্ধ বা any bravery acts হয়তো তেওঁলোকে বেছিকে এইবিলাক brave কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে বহুত medals পাইছে বহুত হয়তো সন্মান পাইছে and সেই কাৰণে যিটো ৰেজিমেন্ট থাকে আৰ্মিৰ যিবিলাক ৰেজিমেন্টস বিলাক আছে যেনেকে গোৰ্খা ৰেজিমেন্ট পাঞ্জাব ৰেজিমেন্ট আসাম ৰেজিমেন্ট এনেকে যিটো থাকে তাৰে কুৰ্গী ৰেজিমেন্টটো সবসে বেছি medals পোৱা আৰু সেই কাৰণে ৰাইটাৰ জনে কৈছে that it is one of the most decorated regiment of the army আৰু হেতুৰ পৰা আমি গম পাইছো that probably they are very brave people the first chief of the Indian army General Cariappa was a Kurgi আৰু to prove their braveness. This Kurgi regiment is the most decorated. এই বস্তুটো prove কৰিবৰ কাৰণে এইটো আমাক ৰাইটাৰজনে কৈছে যে ইণ্ডিয়ান আৰ্মি ফাৰ্ষ্ট যিজন আৰ্মি জেনেৰেল আছিলে তেখেত এজন কুৰ্গী আছিলে জেনেৰেল কাৰিয়প্পা. Next, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. আৰু Kodavus বা যাক আমি কুৰ্গৰ আন এটা নাম যিহেতু কোডাগু সেইকাৰণে Kodavus মানুহবিলাক Kodavus are the only people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without a license. Our Kodavus bilak so brave, so honest, so hospitable যে তেওঁলোকৰ braveness, তেওঁলোকৰ courageousness to এটা তেওঁলোকৰ কাৰণে certificate হ'ল. আৰু they don't have to produce any license or they don't have to produce any permit to buy any explosive arms or any type of explosive materials. Amar janeke kibata pistol ba rifle any ebilak bostu kinibor karone explosive ekhon license lage amar logot amar ekhon permit lage kintu kurgi manu bilakor teolukor identity is their permit teolukok eku na lage ebilak bostu. Next ekhinleke ami gom palu je কুৰ্গ জায়গাখনৰ বিষয়ে কুৰ্গৰ বাসিন্দাবিলাকৰ বিষয়ে আৰু কুৰ্গৰ মানুহবিলাক বা কুৰ্গী মানুহবিলাক বা কোডাভুজ মানুহবিলাকৰ নেচাৰটো আমি গম পালো. Now let's come to the natural beauty of Coorg. The most important feature of Coorg is the Kaveri River. Kaveri নদীখন সবচে important feature হয় কুৰ্গৰ আৰু it is a freshwater river, south flowing freshwater river. And the most important thing which abounds in Kaveri River is the large freshwater fish known as Mahashir. Mahashir Kaveri নদীখন south flowing freshwater নদী হয় আৰু তাত অধিক পৰিমাণত পোৱা যায় Mahashir নামৰ ডাঙৰ মাছটো. Okay, it is the most important thing which abounds in the Kaveri River. Next, we find various types of different varieties of animals and birds and beasts. And among them, animals like langurs, squirrels, and kingfishers. Elephants are maximum seen there. And langurs and squirrels are the animals which like to enjoy the beauty of the river along with the natural beauty, and as such সিহঁতে যেটো প্ৰাকৃতিক সৌন্দৰ্যটো আছে হেটো এনজয় কৰিবলৈ বিচাৰে আৰু সেই কাৰণে কি কৰে সিহঁতে partially eaten fruit, half eaten যিবিলাক ফল বিলাক আছে সেইবিলাক সিহঁতে পানীত আধা খাই খাই দলিয়াই দিয়ে. Why? To enjoy the ripple effect. A ripple effect to enjoy কৰিবৰ কাৰণে সিহঁতে পানীত এবিলাক বস্তু পেলাই দিয়ে. আৰু kingfishers বিলাকে they dive in the river Kaveri to catch their prey. সিহঁতে তেওঁলোকৰ যেটো catch বা তেওঁলোকৰ যে মাছ ধৰিবৰ কাৰণে river Kaveri dive কৰি all the things these animals, these birds, they used to enjoy. তাৰমানে ৰাইটাৰজনে এইটো ক'ব বিচাৰিছে যে Coorg Jagadokhor, Kurugor, everything is so beautiful. That means it is a piece of heaven. Agote amak koisile piece of heaven, probably Sorgor kijani eta tukura niki, which are drifted in wind and is now placed in earth. Tamane iman dhunia, every moment, every thing which even the wild animals does creates a beauty. Mane protitu bostu, protitu muhurta sobe dhunia. আৰু কৈছে যে elephants বিলাকে Kaveri নদীত mahuts বিলাকে গা ধুৱাই দিয়ে scrubbing কৰি ঘঁহি ঘঁহি, they love it. Then there are various high adventure sports in Coorg. Coorgot বহুত high adventure sports আছে which converts a lazy man or a easygoing person to a person of high adventure. মানে Coorg জাগাডোখৰ এনেকুৱা ইমানখিনি তাত সুবিধা আছে, ইমান natural beauty হয় যে তাত যিবিলাক খেল হয় high energy খেল যিবিলাক হয় like river rafting, traveling in a boat, then rock climbing, rappelling এইবিলাক ধৰণৰ যিবিলাক খেল হয় হাই এডভেঞ্চাৰ সেইবিলাক দেখি পেলাই কোনো মানুহ তাত ইজি গোয়িং বা ৰিলেক্সড হৈ মানে শুই বহি থাকিব নোৱাৰে then wild animals are there butterflies are there squirrels are there which will keep you account wherever you go তোমালোকে যতে যোৱা এনেকুৱা লাগে যেন এইবিলাকেও তোমালোকক সংগ দিছে The entire Coorg can be seen by climbing the Brahmagiri hills. আৰু গোটেই কুৰ্গৰ বিউটিটো গোটেই কুৰ্গৰ মিষ্টি লেণ্ডস্কেপটো ধুমলি কুঁৱলী কভাৰ হৈ থকা গোটেই পৰিৱেশটো এনজয় কৰিব পাৰা বা গোটেই panoramic ভিউটো চাব পাৰি যেতিয়া one climbs to the top of the Brahmagiri hills. Brahmagiri hills ওপৰলৈ যেতিয়া এজন মানুহে টুৰিষ্ট এজনে বগাই যাব তেতিয়া গোটেই কুৰ্গৰ panoramic view এটা দেখা পোৱা যায় and if one walks to the Nishardagama island then one will be able to come in contact with the spiritual and peaceful lamas or the Buddhist monk where nearby in Bailakupi it is the highest Tibetan settlement of the Buddhist people. So writer jone koise je Coorg is not only a beauty or a natural beauty but it also gives spiritual peace, spiritual satisfaction to anyone who comes to Coorg. And these beautiful, peaceful lamas, these beautiful birds and beasts are always waiting to be discovered. Okay? Along with the Coorgi people who want to showcase or who want to tell about their valor, stories of valor to anybody who wish to come to Coorg and enjoy its beauty. Okay, children? So this is the quick revision of the text. আমি যেটো ক্লাস কৰি গলো already তাৰ এটো এটা quick revision হয় আৰু এতিয়া আমি question answer section লে যাম. Okay? So please be ready with your copies and your pen and copy. So now let's move on to the question. Where is Coorg? Where is Coorg? Coorg is midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore in Karnataka. Okay? Coorg is midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore in Karnataka. Okay? Question 2. How can one reach Coorg from Bangalore? Coorg, being a tourist spot, has very convenient road, air and rail connectivity. It is situated almost 243 kilometers from the city of Bangalore. Okay? Repeat. Coorg, being a tourist, tourist spot, has very convenient খুব সুবিধাজনক road, air and rail connectivity. It is situated almost 243 kilometers from the city of Bangalore. Okay, লিখিছা নহয় তোমালোকে? Why is Coorg famous for? এটো সবে জানা Coorg কিয় famous? Coorg কিয় famous? জানা নে বাৰু? Yes, Coorg is a coffee country. Coorg, the coffee country, is famous for its evergreen forest and spices. Coorg, coffee country বুলি আমি সবেই জানো, কিন্তু mainly famous for its চিৰসেউজ বৰ্ষাৰণ্য and spices বা মছলা. Okay? আমাৰ ইয়াত বৰ্ষাৰণ্যখন কোনখন? Dihing Patkai. What is the other name of Coorg? Coorgor other name to ki hoy? Beleg eta naam? The other name of Coorg is Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. The other name of Coorg is Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. Can you say the name of the land of the rolling hills? The name of the land of the rolling hills is Coorg. The name of the land of the rolling hills, এই বস্তুটো land of the rolling hills to inverted comma ভিতৰত দিবা, is Coorg. Next, what covers 30% of Coorg district? Coorgৰ 30% কিহেৰে cover হৈ আছে বা 30% টো কিহে occupy কৰিছে? The rainforest cover over 30% of Coorg district. The rainforest cover over 30% of Coorg district. Who are the only people in India, only people of India permitted to carry firearms without license? Answer: the Kodavus are the only people of India permitted to carry firearms without license. The Kodavus are the only people of India permitted to carry firearms without license. Which regiment is the most decorated in the Indian Army? Answer: the Coorgi regiment is the most decorated in the Indian Army. The Coorgi regiment is the most decorated in the Indian Army. Next, who was the first army chief of India? The first army chief of India was General Cariappa, who was a Coorgi. The first army chief of India was General Cariappa, who was a Coorgi. Next question. Of which descent are the fiercely independent people of Coorg? Of which descent are the fiercely independent people of Coorg? The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. Okay, Greek or Arabic descent. Next, how is the culture of the people of Coorg? The culture of the people of Coorg is distinct from Hindu mainstream. Their culture is apparent in martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites. Okay, the rites hobo. The culture of the people of Coorg is distinct, মানে different from Hindu mainstream, যিটো হিন্দীৰ normal Hindu mainstream বা Hinduism যিটো culture. Their culture is apparent in martial traditions, marriages, and religious rites. Next question. Where does the Arabic origin draw support from? The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Coorgis. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Coorgis. Okay? Next, what are Kupia and Kufia. Eto monot rakhiba, eto khubei oft-repeated questions. What are Kupia and Kupia? The long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Arabs and Kodagu is called Kupia. Gom long black coat, long black jitu kola coat pinhe tumalkor kitapot photo dia as the first picture to with an embroidered waist belt by the Arabs and Kodagu is called Kupia. The traditional dress worn by the Arabs is called Kufia. What kind of tradition does Kurgi homes have? The Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Hospitality ma koislu no, hospitality hoise very good reception ba manu ahile khubei bhalke khudpus kora, hetuke koi hospitality. The Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality. Name the only gateway the district had. Name the only gateway to the district headquarters of Cook. The only gateway, the district headquarters to Cook is Medicary. Name the only gateway to the district headquarters of Cook. The answer, the only gateway, the district headquarters to Cook is Medicary. Next question. What status do Kodavus enjoy in India? The Kodavus are the only people in India that are permitted to carry firearms without a license. The people will be small letter here. The Kodavus are the only people in India that are allowed to carry firearms without a who are allowed to carry firearms without a license. Okay. Next. Why does the author describe Coorg as a piece of heaven? Authore Coorgok kyo piece of heaven bili describe korise. The author describes Coorg as a piece of heaven because Coorg is a land of rolling hills, breaths of invigorating coffee, covered by evergreen rainforest, and a land of amazing natural beauty. Likhilwa, answer repeating. The author describes Coorg as, inverted start koriba, a piece of heaven, inverted close, because Coorg is a land of rolling hills, breeds of invigorating coffee. Anytime mane eta hottage ba fresh smell eta ahi thake, hetuke koise invigorating coffee, covered by evergreen rainforest, and a land of amazing natural beauty. Okay, asorit dhoroner dhuniya poribesh. Name the sports Coorg offers to its tourists. Sports kitar naam kwa, ekita high adventure sports asile, hekitar naam likha, jiblak tourist karne tat available hoy. After all, tourist bile etu karne koise, kiyono Coorg ekhon tourist place. The land of Coorg offers high adventure sports to its tourists, which include river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking, etc. Okay, the land of Coorg offers high adventure sports to its tourists, which include river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking, etc. Dibo para aru nidipla likhibo para, full stop dipla. Further, there are various walking trails for tourists. সেই লাইনটো লিখিও দিব পাৰা, okay? etc. বদলি তলত লিখিব পাৰা further there are numerous walking trails for trekkers. Okay, সেইখিনি লিখি দিব পাৰা. Next question. Name the animals found in Coorg. The animals that are found in Coorg are various birds, bees, and butterflies. Animals include macaws, Malabar squirrels, langurs, slender loris, elephants, etc. Kintu mon koriba je squirrels okol nohoy, it should not be only squirrels. Yet specially mentioned korise Malabar squirrels. Hekarne Malabar squirrels aru macaws. Agote kintu langurs to mention korise. Tar bodli kintu monkeys bile likhi nidiba ako. Specially naam kita dia hoise macaws, Malabar squirrels. Aru agoteo kintu squirrels mention korise ba langurs mention korise. Hekarne jetia etu question ahe tumaloke very conscious thakiba je ei kita bostu mention hobo lage tate. Okay, ei kita bostu mention thakiba lage aru ei kita birds, beast aru butterfly ei kita bostu thakiboi lagibo answer to. What is the main crop of Coorg? The main crop of Coorg is coffee. However, the land is also famous for its spices. Okay, the main crop of Coorg is coffee, full stop. However, the land is also famous for its spices. From where can one have a view of a wide area of Coorg? Coorgot korpra eta panoramic view ba eta wide area etat dekha poa jay. One can have a view of Coorg from the top of the Brahmagiri hills. One can have a panoramic view bilio dibo para, a view of a wide area bilio dibo para, doesn't matter. Eke bostu duita view of Coorg from the top of the Brahmagiri hills. Okay, next, describe the people and their descent. Describe the Coorgi people and their descent. The Coorgi people are fiercely independent and brave. There are two theories regarding their descent. One Greek theory and the other Arab theory. Okay, first answer to tinta paragraph. Ek number paragraph, the Coorgi people are fiercely independent and brave. There are two theories regarding their descent. One Greek theory and the other Arab theory. Para change koriba. According to one theory, they are of Greek descent. It is said that they are the successor of a part of Alexander's army who came to southern India and settled there when return became impractical. Okay, repeat. According to one theory, they are of Greek descent. It is said that they are the successors of a part of Alexander's army who came to southern India and settled there when return became impractical. Next para. According to another theory, they are of Arab descent because of their dress. The long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavus, known as kufiya, that resembles the kufiya worn by the Kurds and the Arabs. Repeat. According to another theory, they are of Arab descent, okay, because of their dress. The long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavus, known as Kufia, that resembles the Kufia worn by the Kurds and the Arabs. এই কুৱেশ্যনটোত তোমালোকক দুটা বেলেগ বেলেগ পেৰা যে কৰি দিছো কাৰণটো হ'ল কি কুৱেশ্যনত তোমালোকৰ HSLC কুৱেশ্যনত এই বস্তুটো কুৱেশ্যনটো এটাকে নাহে ইমান ডাঙৰ you will be getting either এটা পাৰ্টৰ আহিব বা এটা পাৰ্ট সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা আনসাৰটো পঢ়োতে যদিও একেলগ পঢ়িবা তোমালোকক কিন্তু হয়তো ক'ব পাৰে write down about the Kurdi Greek descent বা about the write about the Arab descent তোমালোকক হয়তো তেনেকে দুটা ভাগ কৰি পেলাই কুৱেশ্যনটো দিব যেহেতু ইমান লং কুৱেশ্যন নিদিয়ে সেইকাৰণে তোমালোকে আনসাৰটো লিখোতে তেনেকে ভাগ ভাগকে লিখিবা যাতে পৰীক্ষাত তোমালোকে কুৱেশ্যনটো দৰকাৰ হলে ভাগ কৰি দিব পাৰা হেতু সিস্টেমত আনসাৰটো লিখিবা আৰু ওপৰৰ ইন্ট্ৰোডাকশনটো একে থাকিলে খালি যদি গ্ৰীক আহে তেতিয়া হলে গ্ৰীকলৈকে লিখিবা ওয়ান গ্ৰীক থিওৰি বুলি আৰু আৰব আহিলে মানে আৰব থিওৰি বুলি লিখিবা ওকে সেইকাৰণে আনসাৰটো দীঘলীয়াকে দিছো Describe the Tibetan settlement in Kurg. In the 64-acre island of Nishardagama in Kurg, there is a Tibetan settlement near Bailakupi. The monks can be seen in red, ochre, and yellow robes. In the 64-acre, etu 64 jitu ase, hetu words on likhiba. মই ইয়াত লিখাৰ সুবিধাৰ কাৰণে লিখিছো এনেকে কিন্তু তোমালোকে যেহেতু লিটাৰেচাৰত লিখিবা তেতিয়া তোমালোকে এটো ৰাইট ওয়াৰ্ডছত লিখিবা In the 64-acre island of Nishardagama in Kurg, there is a Tibetan settlement near Bailakupi. The monks can be seen in red, ochre, and yellow robes. A words kita kintu important. Okay? Answer to a word kita kintu thakibo lagibo. Next, where does River Kaveri obtains its water from and what abounds in it? Where does River Kaveri obtains its water from and what abounds most in it? The River Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg and Mahashir, a large freshwater fish, abounds in these waters. Okay? Etu monot rakhiba Mahashir mention to hodai thakiboi lagibo Mahashir mention to jihetu yat question to which say what abounds in it are Mahashir sobse beshi tat abounds ase he karone hetu bostu to likhiboi lagibo. The River Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forests of Kurg and Mahashir, a large freshwater fish, abounds in these waters. Which month of the year is the season of joy in Kurg? The season of joy commences from the month of September and continues till March. Okay? Season of question to introductory jitu paragraph asle beginning paragraph lesson 2 tate ase etu the season of joy commences from the month of September and continues till March. The weather is very fine during this period and with some showers thrown in for good measure. Okay? এইখিনিলৈকে লিখিলেও if your time permits তোমালোকৰ যদি হাতত সময় নাথাকে 1 মাৰ্কৰ আনসাৰ আহে যদি এইখিনিলৈকে লিখিলেও it is more than sufficient আৰু যদি সময় আছে you can edit up this line also doesn't matter. Okay? তাৰপিছত এইখিনি তোমালোকৰ question answers আৰু এতিয়া হয়তো তোমালোকে question answers বিলাক কিছুমান লিখি লৈছা but the thing is that I have given everything গুটে points খিনি তোমালোকক দিয়া হৈছে ইয়াতে lesson to গুটেখিনি cover কৰিছো আমি আৰু এই lesson টোৰ খুব long questions নাহে maximum 1-2 marks ৰে question আহে আৰু lesson to পঢ়িবা thoroughly study the lesson যেতিয়ালৈকে ইয়াৰ lesson টোৰ each and every word each and every sentence is important এই lesson টোৰ each and everything is important সেইকাৰণে lesson to thorough পঢ়িবা lesson to thorough পঢ়িলে you will be able to attempt any question in your HSLC আৰু তাত গোটেই কুৱেশ্যনটো লেসনটো গোটেইখিনি কুৱেশ্যন ইয়াত কভাৰ কৰিছো হয়তো কিবা থাকিও যাব পাৰে লেসনটো পঢ়িলে তোমালোকে ওলাব আৰু ট্ৰাই টু গো থ্ৰু দ্য এনেকুৱা নহয় যে তোমালোকে যিখিনি কুৱেশ্যন আজি দিছো এইখিনিয়ে মেমৰি কৰি পঢ়িবা but always remember that questions which are or answers which are written by oneself নিজে যেটো answer লিখা that will never be forgotten by you তোমাৰ হেতু answer কেতিয়াও মই পাহৰি নোযোৱা but these answers which I am giving now you'll have to memory তোমালোকে মনত ৰাখিব লাগিব কিন্তু লেসনটো যদি ভালকে পঢ়া তেতিয়া হলে তোমালোকে নিজে answer লিখিব পাৰিবা এইখিনি কুৱেশ্যনটো তোমালোকৰ নকল সাজেশন বা হেল্পৰ কাৰণে দিয়া হৈছে তোমালোকে চেষ্টা কৰিবা যাতে আনসাৰ্স বিলাক সেন্টেন্সেস বিলাক নিজৰ মতে লিখিবলৈ পাৰা okay so in the next class we'll do something new and till then study your lessons be safe in your homes and prepare for your exams thank you so much